Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make achomon, the sugar one. I did salted one last week, so today I want to do the sugar one. So I have 4 cups of flour here. I will start by adding my baking powder, nutmeg, salt, and sugar. And I will mix all. Then I'll add my butter. I'm using salted butter. If you are using unsalted butter, you have to adjust the salt you are going to add inside. Then I will go in with my hand, my clean hand. Then I will mix all up. I will make sure all the butter is distributed in the flour beautifully before I continue with my water. Then also I bake. Rolling it before I can cut it with scissors. Squeeze it like this to have kind of like round shape, and you roll it. heated oil here. So I'm going to pour the achomon inside. You have to make sure the oil is hot so that the achomon will not soak oil. When you know that everything is settled inside the oil, you can reduce the fire so that it can cook well. The achomon can cook very well. Because today the weather is hot, it's getting softer than normal, so I'll put the rest in the fridge so that when I finish this one, those ones will be in the fridge cooling. The weather is really hot today. In case you have hot weather or you are doing it in hot weather, you can put it in the fridge, because when the sugar wasn't melted, so when it's in the heat, the sugar will start melting and the dough will start getting softer. I don't know if it makes sense. Because when my mom was doing it in Ghana, we use flour on the table. The work surface is different because this one is slick. The wooden table we use there is different, so that's why I use flour from the beginning. A lot of flour, but I don't think I need. Now I have to wet my hand a bit so that the flour can go. Then I'll roll it with it. I have to wet my hand so that it can be a little bit soggy or dewy. I don't know. Remember, the oil has to be hot from the beginning. When everything is settled, you reduce it so that it can cook inside. It's getting brown already, but I think my light is not doing it justice. So it's getting brown, but it's not showing properly inside. I'm going to do a shape. When my mom finished frying, she normally fries some small one for we the children in the house, so that's what I'm trying to do. You cut it rectangle like this. You cut it rectangle like this, and you cut it inside in the middle, just in the middle like this, and you twist it. You take this one out, and that is it. So that's what I'm going to do for the children. You see, that's what I'm talking about. So I'm going to start frying this one before I'll do this one in a diamond shape. The oil is hot enough to fry, so I'm going to start putting them in. diamond shape. Getting brown, so that means it's getting ready, and it's fluffy, crunchy, not too sugary. The sugar was enough. I can't wait to show my children this. It just came to my mind that let me do this shape my mom used to do for us. Yep. And the last will be the diamond shape one, and I'm done. My achomon is ready. I have my 8 shape, diamond shape, and the round shape. It's crunchy, brown. Can you hear that? It's nice. Very, very nice. I'm happy it came out very crunchy, light. Not too much, no oil at all. Look at my hand. Look at my hand. Thank you for watching. Please like and share. Subscribe. Thank you. See you next time. Bye. Bye-bye.